Welcome back to the Men's Pro Series from Ryan's Family Music, Millis, Mass. Paul Grant, Kevin Burns live on Candlepin Network. Jonathan Boudreau on the right. One string match, head to head, knockout round, gets a 10 on the Paul Grant special. Missed the second, make the third. Mike MacIntosh 3.0 on lane 15, gets a 9. Eric Pelletier with Mike MacIntosh. Brian Crowell with Jonathan Boudreau, all in the money round. Top 8 get paid. 2 shifts today, 24 made the playoffs, top 8 got a bye. And welcome back, Kevin Burns. We saw 2 good matches so far in the opening 2 rounds.
Well, looking at everything that we've seen, and it's like we're seeing a lot of Hall of Fame type bowling right now. I mean, anybody here can be in the Hall of Fame, but it's awesome to see what we've been seeing today.
All right, Kevin Burns keeping score for us today. Again, great job, Kevin. Thank you. Second box, one string head-to-head matchup here. Greg Guyer on the other feed live with Bob Lee on YouTube and Facebook on Candlepin Network. John Boudreau in the pocket, 8, wiggling 8, right side 10. A boatload of wood to work with. MacIntosh in the pocket, gets 7, make it 8, maybe 9. 9 it is, wiggle on the 10, right corner. Jonathan for spare. No, somehow the 10 did not budge. MacIntosh right on it, spare. 19 the ball through 2. Sharpshooter. Jonathan nudges it for 10. 2 10s to start this one string match. The winners go to the semifinals. All one string matches, one string roll up. If there's a tie, we had one earlier. Kevin.
I just want to mention, in the opening round, we did cover Jonathan and Brian, and they actually tied 136 apiece. So anything can happen. Do not rule Mac out, because in the opening round against Ron Baker and Kurt Bolver, he threw a 141.
Jonathan drops 9, 7 pin per spare, high piece of wood. MacIntosh 3.0, 3 6 10, 9 behind the 3 on the spare, 25 through 2. Boudreau spare. 2 10s in the spare, perfect so far. 10 spares and strike. A perfect game in Candlepin bowling. MacIntosh leads up the 3-9. Down to the final 8. MacIntosh, object pin for 9, 34 through 3. A 5 fill for Boudreau for the lead. Dominated the youth circuit. Great pro bowler also. 3-1 split, 2-4-7 left, 10 right. They lead 36-34 by 2. Pelletier, Sonia Rossi, and Ali Barber won the First Ladies Pro Series doubles. First Ladies Pro Series event in years. Good for them. Dominating performance. Boudreau, good bid. Oh! Some of the 10 went, the 7 did not. How about that? Tough break. Denied. 2 in a row. 6 in the spare, 36 through 3 earlier. Trying to get the 46 through 4. MacIntosh 1, 2, 7, 10. MacIntosh, MAC, capital I, and TOSH. Jonathan 10, still perfect, 46 through 4. Mac, nice out, 10, 46-44. Boudreau and Crowell on the right, up by 2 on MacIntosh and Eric Pelletier. Eric had a 166 earlier today in the qualifying rounds. Jonathan, head pin hit, breaks with the check mark, 2-4-7 and the 10. One string knockout round to the semifinals. MacIntosh on the nose, he gets 7. The wood slides between the 5 and the 9 somehow, like a game of operation, didn't touch the sides. 10 right corner, Boudreau, object pin, won't carry. 4-7-10. Mac just missed left. Jonathan 8, 54 half. Scores in the screen every 5 boxes. Mac and 8 to match. 54-52, 2-pin lead for Brian Crowell and Jonathan Boudreau on the right. And here's Brian Crowell, veteran bowler on lane 16. Eric Pelletier, fireballer on lane 15. Great head-to-head match. One string knockout round. Please share this match with your friends and family. Invite them to bowl. Candlepin Bowling, nothing like it. Support your local bowling centers all year round with the Candlepin gift cards. A great way to get friends and family involved in Candlepin Bowling. Crowell on the head pin, 2-1 split, 4 left, 3-6 right. Eric Pelletier, left-hander, 7, 8. 4 goes to the 7, maybe. Took a right turn, Clyde. 7 pin for a spare. Crowell, good bid. Oh, just behind the 4. Eric bangs through, spare. And a chance to take the lead. Ryan 9-1. 63-62. 1-pin lead for Crowell and Boudreau on the right, but Eric Pelletier on the left on a spare. Kevin.
We had Joe Surratt and Dave Barber next to us. Surratt has an 80 half.
Crowell on the nose, 3-1 split again. 6 right, 2-4-7 left. Pelletier gives the lead with 7 on the fill. 17-1. 69-63. We're up 6. 1-3-6. Fair chance. Trying to hug that ball. Trying to kick it over somehow. What a try. So accurate. Pelletier up the wall. Spare. Back to back. This one-string match in the quarterfinals. 27 the ball through 2. Ryan 10, 19 through 2 on Candlepin Bowling Network. Over 750 videos of climbing, never a charge, always free. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Candlepin Bowling Network. Follow us on Facebook as well. $79-73. Pelletier, MacIntosh on the left up by 6 plus a ball. Crowell for a strike, 9. Pelletier gets 8. 5 into 7. Wood to work with. 35 through 2. Right now that gives them a 14-pin lead, 87-73. High piece with Brian. Not going to be easy. Eric probably go red line or left that wood in front. Send that messenger to the 7. Brian for a spare. No, tough break. Too much wood. Pelletier for 3 in a row. No, good try. No marks on the board for either side right now. Brian, tough call, grand special. Missed the second, make the third. No fault of his own. 10, 29 through 3 without a mark. Eric Pelletier 9. 30, take that 44 through 3. 96-83, 13-pin lead for Pelletier and MacIntosh on the left. No marks on the board. This one-string match. Winners go to the semifinals. Other bowlers, Dave Barber, Jeff Surratt. The match right now, Kevin.
Dave Barber is pitching about his 21 after 3. It's a funny game sometimes, Paul.
Ryan, 3-2 split. Pelletier for strike, 9. A wiggle on the 10. That got Mike MacIntosh off his seat. 1-3-6-4-7 to Crowell. Can he get it? Missed outside. 1-4-7. Great matchup here in the quarterfinals in Millis on Route 109 at Ryan Film Amusements. Eric got rubber with that time, like Ryan did last box. Even Steven, I guess. Crowell, nice 10. 39 through 4th on a mark. Eric Pelletier, all grand special, misses second, make the third. 10. 54 through 4. 106-93, 13-pin leads to Pelletier and MacIntosh on the left. No marks on the board. 5th box in this one-string match. Another split for Brian. 3 right, 7 left. Decent wood, possibly. Eric missed left. 1, 8, 10. You're shaking the table.
Sorry.
Now a decent piece of wood now. Better position for Brian. We love this spare. Going for it. And he got it. Perfectly placed. 49.5. Without now a mark finally. Lost the ball. Pelletier open. The wood sizzles around. Twirling and twirling. He's up the 8-10. 9:63.5. Paul Grant, Kevin Burns live on Candlepin Bowling Network for Millis, Massachusetts. Ryan Film Amusements. Men's Pro Series doubles. First Pro Series event of the year. Next event is in November. No Pro Series in October. That's what we have so far. Great match. Both switch sides. 115-103, 12-pin lead for MacIntosh and Pelletier now on the right.
That's why he's the other Chris.
Mike a 52.5, Jonathan a 54.5. Mike MacIntosh 3.0 on the upgrade this year, 4.710. Lyndon Burnett made this for ladies early today, the women's pro series. Jonathan Boudreau hits 8, the strike 4, 10 right. And that's going to be a tough piece of wood, but better than no wood, I guess. Mac trying to kick it over. And the channel no good, -1. Boudreau trying to send it over. What a try. MacIntosh, that'll be a 7 officially. Lost one that second shot. 59-6. Jonathan 9 gains 2 though. 63-6. That cuts lead to 10. 122-112. The team on the right, MacIntosh and Pelletier play 10. One spare though for Brian Crowell next. Making things interesting. Yeah, there's a tie, a 1-string roll-off. Mac, strike bid 9, thunderous shot. 128 league bowler during his prime at the old Park Place Lanes, Winter, New Hampshire. He's at the 6. Boudreau takes out the head pin. 8 left, 9 right. Wood to work with. MacIntosh spare. 69 the ball through 7. Jonathan surveying that wood. Dave Barber 69 plus 2.5. Sorry, correction, 39 the ball half. Jeff Thread and an 80 half. Off to our right. Wood over spare. No, bad break in that wood. Thought that would get something. Nothing to show for it.
So Dave, you look awesome.
9:72-7. 132-121. MacIntosh and Pelletier right up by 11 plus this bonus ball. 1 spare for each side. MacIntosh, head pin hit, 7, 8, 4 on the 7. He is 19. Jonathan, head pin hit, sweeps out the right side, gets the 4. The 2 rather, the 4 holds up with the 7. MacIntosh, 77-7. Another spare. Got it with the wood. 87 the ball through 8. Boudreau answers with a spare. 82 in the ball through 8. 150, 131. 2 spares to 1 for Boudreau and Crowell on the left. They're down 19. Mike has spare 6 in the second. Spare 8 in the 7th. Now a spare here in the 8th, here in Millis. In the pocket of a strike, he gets them all. 10 strike on spare. 3 marks in a row. 97 through 8, 107 plus 2 in the 9th. Boudreau 8 on the spare. 4-7 needs to convert. 90 through 8. They're going to need some marks. MacIntosh heating up. Boudreau gets the spare. He goes back to back. 100 in a ball through 9. Lead is 21 for MacIntosh and Pelletier on the right. 170, 149. .3.0 off to the right. 1, 2, 8, 10. Working a strike on lane 16, on lane 15. John would love a strike here. Looks good. He gets 9. Leads up to 6. .109 through 9. Mike 1, 2, 8, 10. Gunning for 4 marks in a row. Missed left. 2 in the 8. 8 on the strike. Big Phil. 115 through 9. Jonathan, another one. He's got it. He's got 3 in a row. 119 the ball in the 10th. What a battle. MacIntosh 9. 124. Quarterfinal string. 1 string round. Jonathan trying to get to 129 with a strike on spare. And on the head pin, he gets 5, maybe 6. It's 6. 125. Quarterfinal string. The lead is 13, I believe. Let's check the math. 187 confirmed for Eric Pelletier, Mike MacIntosh on the right. 13-pin lead, but Brian Crowell can cut the single digits. 187, 174. Pelletier in the pocket, strike! What a shot! No doubt. 73 plus 2 through 6. Had a spare 7, spare 8 to start. Crowell on the bonus, on the head pin, he gets 9. Leads up to 10. 58 half. Needs a mark to keep it close. Again, another tough piece of wood angle. It'd be tough to scoot around. That's what he can do. He missed it. That hurts. Not going to easy anyway, but not a guarantee. Tough break. And went on the second piece of wood. That's a Paul Grant special. Missed the second, make the third. Never a good time for that. 10. 197, 193. As Brian's at 68 through 6. Pelletier's team up by 4 on the right with Mike MacIntosh. Will add to that here on a strike. And get it back up to double digits, possibly. The fireball left-hander, 7, 136. Right now, with that 7 drop and the first ball on the strike, lead is 11. Full in the pocket, 8. 7 left, 8 right, wood to work with. Tip right of that wood on the left. Pelletier for a spare. No, too full. 8 on the strike, can't believe it didn't go. Leads back up to 12, 205, 193. Crowell could use this mark. You get this one. No, tough break again. 2 tough breaks in a row. Eric gets to 10. 90 through 7 on Candlepin Bowling Network. Ryan 9, 77 through 7. 215, 202, 13-pin lead for Pelletier MacIntosh. Crowell and MacIntosh 2 points behind. Pelletier and MacIntosh have the lead. Pelletier, MacIntosh in the lead on the right. 6-7 Pelletier. Crowell and Boudreau are down 13. Just missed right. Wood's coming back. Takes out the 1. Takes on the 2. It's the 4-7-9. He's got some wood to work with again. Not going to be easy. Angle piece of wood. 1 behind. Eric's ball can carry this. This is for a spare. Looks good. And almost. Ryan talking to Jonathan. I'll play this wood. Ryan can use this mark. And that won't go either. 7 of 9. Tough break. Eric, good pitting 10. 101 through 8. 1 string quarterfinal match. 1 string. Brian 9, maybe a 10. It goes back and takes it down. No, it does not. It's 9. 86 to 8. 2 blocks to go. 225, 211. Brian's 2 marks behind. Eric Pelletier, Mike MacIntosh on the right, up by 14. Jeff Shredder, 133. Hawks are right. Teammate Dave Barber. Pushing up the string. Pelletier, 6 right again, 7 left. 2 for 1 special. Ryan needs to mark out his final 2. Just missed the pocket. 1-3-6-10. Pelletier trying to kick it over. No. Crowell needs this mark to avoid double strike territory, more than likely. Looks good. And he does not get it. You gotta be kidding me. Are you serious? But wait, the pin reset. So he gets a box over. He'll get a do-over because the lane reset by itself, and by rule, he gets the box over. That's a break. That keeps him alive. What a strange game this is, Kevin. Wow, that's a break, big break. Can they capitalize?
I'm going to explain the rule. By virtue of the rule, if the machine resets on its own, it's either because the pin was off the spot or it wiggled too much for the sensor and it told the sweep to come down. So by virtue of the rule, Brian does get the box over.
If he was on a mark, the fill would count, though.
Correct. If he was on a mark, that total that he knocked down, that will be his fill.
Okay. Mike MacIntosh, last box, 9, 110 through 9. Crowell trying to get a mark, has a chance. The 7 goes. The 2 holds up. Wood to help in front. Two-pin needs to convert to stay alive. And he got it. 234, 221 down 13, but on a spare. Can cut the single digits. Needs another mark. Eric, a mark could put the pressure on Brian Crowell for a double strike bid. He steals 8. Got a break. 7-10 goal post, but Wood rolling away, but 1 stays on. A strike would be huge here for Brian Crowell. Miss left again. The 4 spin right. Out of the 1 pin goes. 3-6-10. Better chance. The lead is down to 6. 234, 228. They're down 6. Pelletier for a spare. No. And Brian needs to convert. The winners go to the semifinals. Needs it. No. And Eric Pelletier, Mike MacIntosh going to the semifinals. Tough breaks for both Jonathan Boudreau and Ryan Crowell. They're going to cash out. They cash, and that's a lot. That won't count. That's a 9 officially. So 112 official score, that string. 230, 244, I believe the total is. 240, hold on, 238, 233. That's a 9 officially. 238, 233, the official score. Eric Pelletier, Mike MacIntosh 3.0 are in the semifinals.
They'll be facing Dave Barber and Jeff Surratt, they just won by 3 pins. in Mark Gallagher threw a 136, almost had him. In the other side, we have Justin Waters and Danny Harris, along with Craig Gilbert and Joey Wilson.
Okay, we'll sign off. Get back for our semifinal. Just a moment. Paul Grant, Kevin Burns, Bob Lee. Back in a few minutes. Thank you for watching this great game of Candlepin Bowling on Candlepin Bowling Network.